is up, guys? Today we have a really crazy video. I just had a huge windstorm, and a giant tree fell outside of my house, and so much is destroyed. It's really bad. I'll show you guys in a second. So me and my friends got the calls whenever we were eating at a pizza place together, and we rushed back on our bikes, and we came to this. Look at this. Duquesne Light Company's here. It completely crushed my neighbor's fences, and it's bad. There's the guy going up. There he is. And yeah, there's windows broken. So many people came. It's bad. Real bad. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's bad. The huge giant tree just fell there, so they're working on it right now. Well, yeah, guys, I have power still, thank God. The wire that was snapped in half was just my neighbor's cable, and my neighbor, that's like fence and house is destroyed. Well, his house isn't destroyed, but his fence is. He's on vacation, and that tree was in his yard. And my neighbor's like right beside me. They have windows broken. I have shingles torn off my house. Huge windstorm. But I am okay. Everyone's okay. Nobody's hurt. Yeah, but crazy day. I will see you guys in the next video.